Cybercrime is at an all-time high, and many movies capture this growing phenomena about how easy it is to hack something or even someone's privacy.
Corporate greed is a trickle-down desire that reaches even the bottom of the food chain.
But can it be this easy to commit cybercrime? In fact, it is becoming increasingly common where criminals extract data and even money using simple tools. As the digital economy grows, digital crime grows with it. Cybercrime is an all-time high, and damage from cyber attacks will amount to a whopping $10.5 trillion annually by 2025, a 300% increase from 2015 levels. Because of these insane cyber attacks, there is a huge demand for cybersecurity experts. In fact, the global cybersecurity market size is projected to be worth $660 billion by 2030, and it is growing at a CAGR of about 16% by 2030. This is insane growth. And also, the Data Security Council of India, an association of cybersecurity ecosystem players, expects the demand for cybersecurity products and services will grow exponentially to 10 lakh employees by 2025. So, I wanted to give you insight into this growing job and career sector. I will show you the top 10 cybersecurity jobs in high demand right now. And if you're not going to believe how many opportunities are available in this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Also, make sure to watch this video till the end, as I will share some amazing strategies on how to get jobs in this high demand cybersecurity field. Working in a cybersecurity field also gives you a chance to work in a fast-paced environment where you constantly learn and grow. Now, cybersecurity might be worth considering if you're already in the world of information technology or looking to make a career switch. Okay, so let's look at the countdown from 10 to number 1, which is the most highly paid job right now. So make sure to watch till the end to know all of these jobs. And if you are looking to start your career in this field, here is an amazing professional course by Google. Now, Google's Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. I've attached a link in description, and it is one of the best courses available online. So make sure to sign up for this course, and link is available in my description box. Okay, let's get started. Starting with number 10, it's Cybersecurity Analyst. Now, cybersecurity analysts protect their organizations from cyber attacks and unauthorized access. In this role, you will likely be expected to monitor networks for security breaches, investigate, document, and report security breaches, research IT security trends, help computer users with security products and procedures, and develop strategies to help secure the organization. So basic cybersecurity jobs. Now, related job titles are cyber analyst, IT security analyst, and the average annual salary is about 5 lakh rupees. Common certification required for this job is Certified Information Systems Security Professionals, CompTIA Security Plus, CompTIA Network Plus. Okay. Now, next one. On number 9, it's Application Security Engineer. The application security engineer is the one who creates, implements, and maintains the security of companies' applications. Now, they are responsible for designing and implementing policies that will protect against both internal and external threats. Now, a typical day for an application security engineer starts with reviewing the previous day's findings and fix any bugs or vulnerabilities found. After this, they will collaborate with other engineers to plan the next day's work also. Now, the average salary is about 7 lakh rupees per annum, or on a global scale, it ranges from about $78,000 to about $116,000. But it can go up to about $150,000 for senior levels as well. Again, common certification required are Certified Information Systems Security Professional, ISC2, Security Information and Event Management, SIEM. Now let's look at number 8, and it's Malware Analyst. A malware analyst identifies and examines cyber threats such as viruses, worms, bots, and trojans to understand their nature. They develop malware protection tools, and finally, they document the method of avoiding these malware threats. Now, to become a malware analyst, just like the other cybersecurity jobs, the first step is to have a degree in information technology or computer science. It's good to have at least 2 years of work experience in relevant field before becoming a malware analyst. This will help you grow in this field. Now, the average annual cybersecurity salary for malware analysts in the United States is about $92,000, which is about 7.5 lakh rupees in India. Now, holding a GIAC Reverse Engineering Malware GREM certification is a plus point for this position also. Okay, next up at number 7 is Computer Forensic Analyst. I know this sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's kind of a cool job. Computer forensics analysts work on cyber attack cases to gather digital evidence and to retrieve data. They work on recovery recovering deleted, manipulated, or stolen data also. Now, a computer forensic analyst must hold a bachelor's degree and some work experience in the related field. Now, in addition to that, they must have computer networking knowledge of cybersecurity, understanding law and criminal investigation, a sound analytical mind with attention to detail, and a strong communication skills. Now, the average annual cybersecurity salary for computer forensics analyst in the United States is about $75,000 and about 8 lakh rupees in India. Now, computer forensics analysts can hold certification like Certified Forensic Computer Examiner and Certified Computer Examiner. Now, it's a niche field and has good future scope as well. So if you're interested, check this out. Okay, next up on my list is cybersecurity consultant. So this is a consulting job. So instead of working for just one company as a consultant, you can work with several different clients. Your work may be more short-term and project-oriented. You may be hired to measure, design, and implement security systems, develop security procedures for the organization, collaborate with in-house security teams to respond to unwanted intrusions, carry out information security compliance assessments and audits. Now, common certifications in this job includes Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP, CompTIA Security Plus, and I've listed some online courses in the description box for your referral also. You can absolutely take up these online courses to help you get started with this career also. Let's talk about the salary. The average annual cybersecurity consultant on a global scale is about $90,000 to $120,000, and in India is about 8.5 lakhs. Okay, now it's about top 5 job in cybersecurity, and these are some high earning job careers. It's like stark difference between the top 5 and the bottom 5. So at number 5 is Cloud Security Specialist. iCloud and almost everything these days, cloud security specialists are in high demand. Because of the increased reliance on the cloud, things like Google Drive, iCloud, and almost everything these days, cloud security specialists are in high demand and will remain so in the future. In simple terms, cloud security specialists are responsible for ensuring the safety of data stored on the cloud server. Now, they are responsible to protect data, systems, and networks from cyber attacks. They do this by analyzing threats and vulnerabilities, implementing safeguards, monitoring networks for intrusion, and overseeing compliance with regulations. They design and implement policies and procedures that protect data from unauthorized access, alteration, or discourse. Now, as per salary is concerned, the salary for a cloud security specialist varies depending upon their experience level. An entry-level salary ranges from $60,000 to about $80,000 annually, while an experienced worker can expect anything about $90,000 to $120,000 annually. In terms of India, the average salary is about a whooping 15.5 lakh per annum with some work experience. So it's a really high demand career, and that can help you pay a lot of money as well. But wait, we are just at number 5. We still have 4 more jobs to discover. So at number 4, we have security architect. A security architect is responsible for designing robust security structures that are used to prevent malware attacks. Now, they perform vulnerability tests and also provide technical assistance to the other security team members. Now, to become a security architect, it is preferred that you hold a degree in computer science or information technology. A couple of essential skills are strong IT experience in risk management sector, network hardware configuration, knowledge of security protocols and cryptography, analytical and problem-solving skills, strong communication and presentation skills, and security architect certifications also. Now, to become a security architect, the certifications which will benefit your career are CompTIA Security Plus and CISSP, which is Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Also, I've listed some online courses for you to get started in this domain. Let's talk about the salary. The average annual cybersecurity salary in this job role in US is about $125,000, and in India, it's a mind-blowing 21 lakhs per annum. This is really very good salary. Sure, you need to work your way up, but the demand is huge in this role. And that was all about security architect position. Now let's talk about the look at the top 3 job responsibilities. At number 3, we have penetration tester. A penetration tester, also commonly known as an ethical hacker, is a network security consultant who exploit a system's vulnerabilities just like a hacker would. They design new penetration tools and they also document the test results. To become a penetration tester, you need to have 1 to 4 years of experience in information security. Now, some other essential skills are good networking skills, knowledge for Windows, Linux, Unix operating system. Also, knowledge of C, C++ is required. Knowledge of Java, Python, and Perl is also vital. You must know black box testing along with strong reporting, communication, and presentation skills. Now, to back this role, certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, Certified Expert Penetration Tester, and Offensive Security Certified Professional will be required or will be helpful for your job aspects. Now, according to PayScale, the average annual cybersecurity salary of a penetration tester in the United States is about $125,000, and in India is about 21.5 lakh rupees. Yes, I told you, all these top 5 jobs are another level in terms of payout. Okay, moving on to number 2, we have Cybersecurity Manager. Cybersecurity managers plays a crucial role in safeguarding an organization's information systems and ensuring its digital assets remain secure from threats. The key responsibilities in this role are more managerial, and it includes strategic planning, policy development, team leadership, risk management, incidental response, security audits, and compliance. Now, becoming a cybersecurity manager involves a blend of education, experience, and continuous learning to stay ahead in this dynamic field. Here's a roadmap for you to help you towards achieving this pivotal role. Education foundation: start with a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, information technology, computer science, or related field. Try to look for master's degree also later on. Gain some practical experience also. Now, experience is key in cybersecurity. So aim for roles that build your expertise in IT and security, such as system administrator, network engineer, or cybersecurity analyst also. Hands-on experience with security tools, threat detection, and incident response is invaluable. Next is to specialize and certify. As you gain experience, specialize in areas that interest you, such as network security, risk management, or ethical hacking. Obtain industry-recognized certification to validate your skills and knowledge. Popular options include Certified Information System Security Professional, Certified Information Security Manager, and Certified Ethical Hacker. Now, along with this, you must develop management skills and gain leadership experience as well. This is a part of this role. Now let's talk about the salary. The average salary is about 22 lakhs per annum, which is amazing. But remember, this job requires few years and a managerial position. But if you are good at your skill, you can absolutely achieve this. All right, time to uncover the number 1 spot, and it is, drum rolls please, is Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. A Chief Information Security Officer is a senior level officer who ensures the complete safety of information in the organization. CISOs are responsible for developing and maintaining information security and risk management programs. CISOs are also required to interact with stakeholders, and they brief them about the information security concerns. Usually, one becomes a CISO after having a good experience in a few other cybersecurity job roles also. Now, to become a CISO, it is preferred that you hold a computer science degree and an MBA, owing to the seniority of this job role actually. To reach the position of a CISO, the potential candidate must have robust skill set. These are IT experiences, incident management, supervisory skills, business expertise, strong communication and presentation skills, risk management as well. Now, most of the cybersecurity jobs require you to hold a relevant cybersecurity certifications. Your cybersecurity career grows with the number of certifications you have also. Now, to reach at this level, the preferred certifications are definitely Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. Now, I have added some online courses, link for you for your reference, that can help you to get started. So check out the description box as well. And yes, of course, the salary. According to PayScale, the average annual cybersecurity salary for CISO role in the United States is about $166,000. And in India, it's about 23 lakhs per annum. Yes, it's amazing. Okay, so this was my top 10, and I have something more for you that can help you getting jobs in cybersecurity. So the most common question I get is how to get a job in cybersecurity. Now, while requirements for cybersecurity jobs vary widely from company to company, you might notice some common trends. Let's take a closer look at some of the requirements and how you can meet them to get your first cybersecurity job, or maybe you can switch your career to cybersecurity. Now, educational requirements. Many jobs in security list a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field as a requirement. Now, while degrees are common amongst professionals in cybersecurity industry, they are not always required. And a certificate and other things and professional. An ICS2 survey of more than 1,000 cybersecurity professionals found that more than half felt that an education in cybersecurity is nice to have, but not critical. About 20% of those surveyed with less than 3 years of work experience had an associate or technical degree. But having a bachelor's degree or master's degree can often create more job opportunities for you. So make sure that you have more competitive candidate in cybersecurity job market or help you advance in your career. So having a bachelor's or master's degree will always help you. Now, there are some high in-demand cybersecurity skills that you must work to develop. Having the right skills can go a long way towards securing a job. Now, to start, you may want to develop skills in cloud security, programming, especially scripting languages, encryption, risk assessment, intrusion detection, problem solving, and analytical thinking. So follow these tips and pave your way to these high-paying jobs and the sector of cybersecurity. So what are you waiting for? Start building your job profile today. If you love this video, press that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with your fellow friends or with someone who can be benefited from this video. Let's spread the knowledge and fun. Stay tuned for my next video. I am Shirish. I love making these videos for you. Remember, I'm with you, for you on this beautiful journey. Love you. See you soon.